Spring is the perfect time to give your HVAC system a fresh start. After working hard all winter and before summer heat arrives, your heating and cooling system needs attention to stay efficient and reliable. A spring maintenance check includes replacing filters, cleaning coils, inspecting ductwork, testing refrigerant levels, and checking electrical components to catch small issues early. These simple steps improve airflow, lower energy costs, extend equipment lifespan, and reduce the risk of mid-season breakdowns. Schedule your spring HVAC maintenance now and enjoy steady, efficient comfort all year long.